Hello everybody, how you all doing? Are you okay in your neck of the woods? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl Debbie Man from down a yard. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking show. Now you remember, if you have watched part 1 of this video, you'll know that we are just, reconnecting with part 2. So you see all my work here are crappy because we are continuing something. Now, right over here, you remember when we left? This was our plantains. Look, we have fried them off, I told you, on a medium to low flame. And you see my fork going right through. Now, this is the first set of the frying of them. Remember, it's refried green plantains. Now, we're going to take some of them out. We're going to put them all over here, or most of them. I want to demonstrate a few to you. Right, family? This is the colors that we have them. Now, I left the plantain skin, we call it skin here, to show you something. We are going to crush them and then refry them. So we are going to get right in. I want to show you. You put it right here between the plantain skin and you crush it, and you get it looking like this. Hot, family. So now you're going back inside there. Now you're going to notch up your flame. But you don't necessarily have to do it in the plantain skin. I just want to show you, it's just a part of our culture. Right? So you're putting it right back in there on a little higher flame. So come right over here now. That's how it looks. So we're going to crush faster. This is how they look. We're going to get them like that. And we're going to get them refried on a higher flame. Right? And this is why it's called refried green plantains. Now when you crush them and you fry them on a higher flame, they come with a little crispiness to them. Now they are soft. You get them how you want them. So I just want you to get in on it. Get right in. It's such a tasty dish. And most of the times, well, it used to be for breakfast, but now, family, everything change up. You go places, you get it for brunch. You get it for lunch. But it's mostly used for breakfast. Right? So look at us over here. We're all crushed and we're on the second phase of frying. And this is how it looks. They've all been crushed and they're on the second phase of frying. And we are frying them on an higher flame. So we want to get them all crispy and nice. Now, with all this frying, you just going to have to use some ant oil to get rid of the excess grease. So as we go along, we don't want to get them because remember they're almost ready, So we're getting them. See them there? They're right there. Right over. Crispy on the outside, soft and nice. Family, Jamaican independence is coming up, and some of these things like the festival and this that I've been doing, they're a part of our culture, with food, with Jamaican food. Right? And they are served on a regular basis here. When you people all come here, you get them. So I'm just, because probably you come here and you get it. And you don't even know it's been prepared. So I'm just demonstrating to you all how it's been prepared. Now, these are ready. Right in. This is ready. Ready. So we're taking these out. All the ready ones are coming out. Right? And I'm going to show you all what you can serve it up with. You see them? They have been refried, getting all crispy and nice. Okay, family? So we have a good amount now that we can show you. So we're gonna, right over here, we're gonna top them off. Remember I told you, never serve on your platter that never display on. Family, you can use your hand too. Yep. Look at them. Wow, hot and but nice though. Okay, and when we have it, let me get rid of this. I just demonstrated something to show you, so we can get rid of that and we can clean the area, because like we're here now. So this is what it looks like, refried green plantains. And I'm going to show you right over here. I have some fried saltfish and some pickled onions. And this is what it's mostly served with, family. Fried saltfish and lots of pickled crunchy onions. Right? So, if you're a person that likes a lot of spice, you can just top it off with a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. Because family, we love to eat down here, you know. So you just top it off. If you want your pepper, you can mix it up, because this is pickled onions with fried off saltfish. So there you have it, family. From my kitchen to yours, it's refried green plantain, right? From West Indian Delights. And you can serve it mostly with something that is salty, something that is pickled. But if you want, you can serve it with like scrambled eggs. But I'm telling you, you're not going to enjoy it as much as this. So once again, from my kitchen to yours, all you Jamaicans up there, you know this dish well, or all over wherever you are viewing this video, you know this well. Refried green plantains from West Indian Delights. Perfect breakfast meal. Enjoy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. I would thank you. Remember to share the videos. Call your friends and man, call your family man. Enough people love to see how this has been prepared. It's so nice. And family, honestly, I'm now go unless me taste piece for you, because I want to break it and I want to show you all. Look inside of it. This is how it is, and it's really hot, but I'm gonna taste for you. I have my gum here, but I'm gonna taste for you. Look at it. It is so soft. Soft and nice. I'm gonna take a piece of my saltfish. Wow. Saltfish, not just the saltiness and the plantain. Yeah man. Refried green plantain from West Indian Delight. You need to try it. And thank you all again. Thank you for making it West Indian Delights. And listen me man, Independence coming up, lots more for our culture food. Debbie from Dongayard.